Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to be giving you an update on the Lincoln. So just a couple of things that I've changed, updated. And I'll start with the front and then move my way back. So I've added the factory LSE kit onto it. Basically it's an aero package, so it just includes a new front bumper, side skirts, and a piece that goes in the rear bumper. We call it the rear balance. The front bumper was in really bad condition, but I did some body work and it's not perfect, but you really can't tell. Paint job isn't 100% match, but it does not bother me. It's close enough. Added some new wheels onto it. These are 19-inch Jaguar Caravella wheels. I believe they come on the XFs. Front is 19 by 8.5. Rear is 19 by 9.5. Two 45/40 Lexanis on the front, and then two 75/35 Lexanis on the rear. Not the best quality tire, but it does what it needs to. Updated the exhaust, added some tips, and deleted the mufflers. So it kind of brings that V8 growl out just a little bit more. This area is busy, man. So it looks really good from the back. Sounds good too, no complaints. Yeah, this is the car. I'm probably gonna leave it like this for a minute. I'm really going for like an OEM plus look on both of my cars, and I think this actually does the job quite well. I do have to lower the rear about 1/2 inch to match with the front. I really like the front end of this car now. I used to hate it, but this bumper brought it out a ton, dude. Looks sick. I'll show you guys the mileage that I have on it now. 189,801. So no lights or anything. Idle smooth. Yeah, I'll get out, do one more side view for y'all. Then I'm gonna cut the video. It's getting too long. I'm gonna do this side actually. The sun's hitting it. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.